Hi, I'm Chef Leanne and welcome back to another episode of We the Sweet. I know you guys have seen a lot of pink happening on my social media pages and my YouTube channel, but I'm here to say that there's definitely more pink to come. We're talking about Ruby. Ruby is the fourth type joining the milk dark and white chocolate family. Ruby is pink because the cacao beans themselves are pink. Here's a freeze-dried cocoa pod. Hear that? Inside are the beans. And the Ruby cacao pods have pink beans on the inside. And we have super smart people who figured out how to process it just right so that it would remain pink even after we were done processing it. And since it's rodeo time here in Houston, Texas, I thought I would make us some pretty little pink cowgirl cookies using Ruby RB1. There you have it. Ruby bakes really, really well. If it can bake in a cookie, then it can bake in a muffin. If it can bake in a muffin, then it can bake in bread. I think you get my point. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you'll excuse me, I've got to go right off into the sunset like the cacao girl that I am.